Here I am going to explain you all about the COVID detection tool. It is a web application to predict COVID disease based upon preliminary symptoms and chest X-ray scan. So if a user is having chest X-ray scan, they can proceed through this, and if they are not having any chest X-ray scan, based upon their symptoms, they can check whether they are suffering from COVID or not and the extent to which they are suffering using this button. The features of our application are that first of all, accuracy. It is close to 92% accurate in the symptoms based analysis, and the accuracy increases to 98% in the chest X-ray scan based analysis. It is very fast. It takes less than a couple of seconds to predict the result. It is very economical, reliable, user friendly, as well as open source. The entire source code of this application is there available on GitHub. Here I will be uploading this video so that users can check out the working of this application. Also, enthusiastic coders can definitely contribute to this COVID detection tool. The GitHub repository of the website is available here, and the complete GitHub repository of the ML model is available here. So the developers are Satvik Tiwari, myself, my friend Sharath, Samish and Yash. So let's directly look how the symptoms based website works. So once we click that button, this particular form will pop up. So the user needs to select their gender, their body temperature. Are they having any difficulty in breathing? So let's say yes, partially. Their travel history, yes, domestic travel. Any body pain? No body pain. Any cough? No cough. Any throat pain? No throat pain. Any headache? No headache. Are you having chest pain? No. Any previous disease? No. Do you feel like vomiting? No. What's your oxygen level? Between 60 and 100. So let's submit this one. So the chances of users suffering from COVID are 49.56%. They are advised to take RT-PCR test, and further links are provided which user can refer. So this is the symptom based detection tool. Next, we have our X-ray scan based detection. So let's run this application built in Python programming. So once running, it will tell us whether the user will suffer from COVID or not based upon the chest X-ray scans. So there are 3 steps in which this application will work. First, click on this button to select an image, upload the image in the next step, and wait for a second to get the result. So let's select our image. Let's select this image. Open. See, COVID-19 detected. We can select any other image as well. Let's say this image. Open. Pneumonia detected. So it detects whether a user is suffering from COVID, whether he is suffering from pneumonia or no disease. So this way our entire application works. Hope you all like this video. So if you have any further questions, you can directly contact us through mail, and we would love to answer all the queries. Thanks a lot.